Good morning, YouTube. Today we're going to do something you've probably never seen before. We're going to change the oil in an Alfa Romeo 8C Competizione Spider.
So are you recording all of the nefarious activities?
For you channel, my name is Dan, and over there is Josh. And this is actually a client's car. So he had us do a consultation, we inspected the car, and then we arranged transportation and whatever, and it actually is being passed through our dealership. And he said, hey, can you guys take care of a few items of service before I get it? We said, sure. So we're gonna change the oil. We have new tires for this thing, and it's basically about all it needs. But if you've never seen one of these, it's because they're super rare. There's only 25 of these in the United States, and only like 300 and something total?
So yeah, like 500 total in the world.
500 total.
Of the 8C Spider and Coupe.
Yeah, it's both, but the Spiders were only like...
Spiders, they made like 130 or something, but
yeah.
only 25 or 35 were brought to the U.S.
Yeah.
And there's supposedly only 3 in white.
Only 3 in white.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, it's hard.
It's very rare.
You won't see this in the camera, but it's like a pearl white. It's very pretty. We had difficulty trying to source the oil filter for this. So first we went online and figured we'd search for it and find the oil filter, and there was 2 different oil filters that were suggested as the right oil filters. So we're like, okay, we're not sure which one to buy. So we went to multiple different sites trying to figure out, and all of them had one or the other, and we didn't know which one. So I called one of our Italian parts specialists, and they weren't sure which one it is. And they even looked up the VIN and all this stuff and blah, blah, blah. And they're like, nope, don't know what's going on. In fact, they said the VIN doesn't seem to exist, or it's not correct or something. So next, after we couldn't get it from the parts specialist, Josh actually called Alfa Romeo, and they didn't even know exactly what filter it was because I guess, what was the...
They said since Fiat Chrysler bought out Alfa, anything before that, they don't have access to anything.
Oh God.
So if you have a pre-Chrysler Alfa, I guess like you're on your own. Which is ridiculous, but...
So we ordered the filter we think is right, so hopefully it's right. Anyway, we'll check it out. But basically, this is just the same power plant that's
check out under the hood.
Yeah, oh yeah, it's all carbon fiber. The whole body of this thing is carbon fiber, if you didn't know. But it's the same engine block that's in the Ferrari F430 and the 458. It's basically the Maserati variant of it. So it's got the crossplane crank, but you can see like the heads and everything are it's basically a Maserati engine in an Alfa. And it's effectively, this is basically a Maserati Gran Turismo with a body kit and some other modifications to it.
Way better attention to
yeah,
detail.
the details of this thing are absolutely stunning. What is it?
Centro Stile?
Stile, Alfa Romeo.
My favorite part is the leather on the interior.
Yeah.
Like this.
Oh yeah, that's like cross pattern.
It's so cool. And the carbon
fiber, everything.
The dash is all carbon fiber.
Yeah, the entire dashboard is carbon fiber, and it's like everything's aluminum. Very, very little plastic, like all carbon fiber. There you go. 8C Spider 500 limited edition. You got like the Alpha stitching. I mean, just, yeah, that. Just absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful steering wheel. Look at the gauges. They got like little Allen screws in there and everything. Oh, like the switches look nice. Oh man, it's still got the same ancient stereo as the 430.
Yeah, it does.
That's awful. Look at that brake pedal. That thing's awesome.
Even the floor mats are like
embossed. Yeah. That's cool. 8C Spider, yeah. It's got this weak ass microscopic little trunk. It's hilarious. You can see like these controls are the identical controls that are in some of the Ferraris.
Aluminum, it's not plastic.
Yeah, this is all
They weren't
nice.
messing around with this thing.
It's fantastic. It's absolutely beautiful. Well, I guess we're gonna attempt to change the oil on it. So it's same 5W40 as the rest of the Ferraris, and hopefully the right filter. Well, it's kind of cool. It's got like a little transmission cooler. So, it's a rear transmission. And you got this X pipe. And so you got the exhaust coming up there. Oh, there's valves. Yeah, and there are the valves. What else is going on back here? Geez, they put a lot of Torx bolts in the diffuser. Okay. It's got a wee little diffuser. Well, there's just one oil, so it's not a dry sump. It is a wet sump clutch. Aw. Where's the filter?
It's kind of in a pain in the ass spot.
Oh, it's right there. God, it's
I
on.
think we got to get to it from this side.
Oh. Oh yeah, it's easier from here. But damn.
Yeah, it's kind of a bitch, isn't it?
It's
We might have to remove. I don't really want to take all that apart.
No, definitely not. It's we're gonna have to put something up there so it doesn't piss oil everywhere.
Yeah, it's terrible.
Great. Is that the right one? What size is it?
10.
Oh, it's 10. Okay, yeah. Well, from what we read, it holds 10.5 quarts, 11 quarts.
It was set 9.1. We'll double check.
9.1. That could have been it. All right. Well. Oh man. Even this is carbon fiber. Wow. This thing's awesome.
I'm not gonna get dirty.
All right. Famous last words. Jeez. It's not a huge plug. It's decently sized. Do you want a rag? You're trying to get out of the splash zone.
I'm gonna raise this up a little.
Here it goes. Well, that's pretty clean. I can see through it.
And wait until it's completely loose and then hold it there.
Yeah.
Pull it away real quick. Yeah, the oil doesn't look too bad.
Well, I mean, how many miles are on this thing? 1,500?
1800.
1,800. Oh man. Well, it's definitely
I think
older.
it's been serviced. He didn't have any record, but the brake fluid is all good. Like the coolant has been changed, so I think it's been serviced recently.
Okay. Just the oil.
Yeah.
Oil's a little bit
Just
old.
time.
Yeah, it's timed out. Yeah, that looks like good oil.
Got the drain plug back in, put a new crush washer on. Now I'm trying to figure out how to get to the oil filter because it's,
kind of.
I don't know.
I mean, I can get my arm up in there.
And we can get this on there. Getting this in there to loosen it is going to be a challenge.
I think this way, right here, you got some room.
See if you can get it on.
Oh, yeah, I definitely can get it on.
Yep.
That's not the right one.
It's not?
No.
Well, that's the one that fits on the filter that we got.
It does? Oh, it's kind of loose.
Here, let me see. Oh, no, that's right.
Oh, okay.
That's right.
You should use the Hill Engineering one. That one's beefy.
Do we have one?
Yeah. This big bad boy. That's the one you want.
Okay.
It's got some real edges on it.
Okay,
Look at
boss.
that. Well, that's the one that you can hurt
I'm
people
just-
with.
Okay, here, stick it on there and see if it'll stay.
Okay. Come on. Yeah. I think so. It's on there.
Oh, crooked.
It's crooked. Maybe?
Well, it's going to have to go from this
That
angle.
side.
Oh, yeah, it's crooked.
Oh, that frame number is right in the way, right on this side. Oh, there it is. I just had it off a little.
Oh, you know what? Look.
Oh.
Hole right here. There's an axis hole right here.
Oh. Yeah, I just go out through out here.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh. Wire? Kind of, sort of.
Okay, get the drain
Oh,
plug.
yeah. The drain tank.
It's going to leak out of this hole and probably get everywhere.
Well, you can put a piece of cardboard there.
Yeah, that's not going to do anything. Because see how it has a little tube underneath the housing? See,
Yeah.
that's where it's going to come out.
Oh, it's going to come out that hole?
Yeah, I think so.
Or this hole?
I think.
Oh, it's going to come out that hole right onto the tray.
Right.
Well, that's annoying.
Mm-hmm.
God, it's going to make a mess.
God, that filter was not on there very tight.
No, it wasn't. I know it's only like supposed to be 13 Newton. Oh, it's starting to leak out.
Let's see where it goes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Ah,
that's not too bad. We'll just let it drain for a minute.
yeah. That wasn't as big a mess as I expected.
Man, they really like afterthought on the oil filter
Right?
location.
It's kind of crammed in there.
The heat shields around the ball joints.
That's
I don't know why Ferrari didn't do that. That's
That's
cool.
a smart idea. All right, so there. Now you can probably see a little better. Oh, hold on. See, it's just kind of leaking down to that frame and then drizzling out. Alright, it's done draining out from the filter. That was kind of good that they put that hose there, otherwise this would have been an absolute mess. Whoa. Okay, now there's a lot more coming out. I saw a number on it. It's got the 2 number. Did we get the one with the 2?
No, we got the one with the 1.
Crap. It's got the 2.
It says Maserati on it, so.
Ours says Maserati.
Now I gotta figure out how to get it out of here. I think I gotta grab it from over here.
Oh, jeez. You're kidding. Can you keep it upright?
Yeah, I am. Doing my best.
No, I was asking if you can. Physically, if it'll fit. Where else you could go?
I can't see anything. I'm doing it by feel.
I don't think it'll fit. Will it fit? Oh, it fit. Okay.
289571.
I don't think that was the same number we had.
It's not.
So we've got 3 different filters.
That's identical.
Oh, it's the same thing.
It's identical.
Oh, it's slightly different at the bottom.
This is actually higher capacity, so this should be better.
Okay.
Yeah, it's identical.
Yeah, same diameter, same gasket.
Interesting.
But yeah, that's not even the same part number that we had.
This might be an old one. Like maybe they updated
superseded
it.
Like,
Yeah,
that's great. Okay. What a pain in the butt. Gotta thread it through. It's a little bit easier when you don't have to worry about spilling oil everywhere.
yeah.
Alright, there it goes. It's 13 Newton meters, which is
Not much.
basically one hand.
tight
It's
with
hand.
a little bit of a tug on it.
Yeah, hand plus a jump with your hand. Hand ugga.
Hand ugga.
Yeah, the trick is to make sure it's dry.
Very slick. I actually can get to it better this way.
Oh yeah? Other way. There you go.
Maybe not.
Probably gets it pretty decent from here. I'm too short though.
I can try.
Yeah. You have it set for tall people height. Yeah. That's not too bad. Oh, this one got saturated.
Yeah, it's trash.
Yeah, so get out of the splash zone. And spray a little brake clean to get the oil off the frame. There. That's really all it needs.
Let me see. There's some trickled over here.
Get out of the way. Yeah, just make it nice and clean. And there we go. Scrub it over. Oh yeah, you can see the oil. Alright, well. Time to add a bunch of 5W40. Yeah, we're gonna double check. We think it's 9.5 quarts, or liters I would say, because it's European, but we're gonna double check real quick. Okay, so it says in the manual 9 liters, and just like most Ferraris, you're supposed to check it after the oil is warm. But unlike most Ferraris, you're supposed to run the engine, get it warm, turn the engine off, wait 5 minutes, then check the oil. So because it's a wet sump, not dry sump. So we're gonna add 9 liters of 5W40 Pennzoil. Gotta get the money shot.
The money shot?
The money shot. Oh, there it is. Money.
Gold. Liquid gold.
Liquid gold. All right, we added 8.5. We're gonna start it up and then check it after it warms up a little bit. Didn't want to start off at 9, overfill it, because that would be bad. Oh, you should show them the key. Look at this key, it's cool. Ooh. And it totally
It's metal
sounds
too, it's not plastic.
Yeah, it's actually metal. Sounds exactly like a 430. Sort of.
We got a TPMS light.
Yeah, TPMS. Oh, look at it. It's a little Alfa on the dash.
What? Where?
The dash where it says hood open is a little Alfa.
Oh yeah.
Trunk open, a little Alfa. That's cute. All right, well, we'll check it. That was pretty easy.
All right, so you gotta unscrew these to get to the OBD2. We're not sure if it's gonna work, but we're gonna try.
Yeah, we'll try and reset the service indicator.
8C is not an option.
Do automatic.
No.
Oh,
Alpha's not
Alpha's
even
not in there.
Here, let's try a Ferrari.
Or Maserati.
Oh, actually, no, we're gonna do Maserati.
Try Gran Turismo.
Yeah.
It's most similar. Service information reset. Procedure complete. Well, maybe. Let's see what it says. Yay, it worked. Hey, it's a Mazzy.
It's a Maserati.
All right, so we just used the Maserati software to reset the service indicator. It's happy. Yay. All right, this is kind of funny. So we were like, we should probably just check stuff, right? So we go into Maserati, not under Alpha, and then it was like listing the models available, and one of the models was
look, here.
Alpha 8C. Look at, this is in the Maserati section.
You know, now that I'm thinking of it, when I check the clutch life on this, I use the Maserati.
Oh, okay.
When I check the clutch, yeah. System list. We're just checking the TPMS.
Yeah, it's
Tire
got
pressure.
TPMS light. Make sure it's not
Can't
gonna
kind
error.
of communicate. That's not it. Bummer. It probably needs a sensor. I mean, the light
Probably,
wasn't on.
probably
When
one of the sensors is dead because it's so old.
the light wasn't on when we got the car.
It's sitting. It might need to be driven too.
Yeah, that's true. Well, we're gonna go put the new tires on it, so
Oh yeah. Oh shit! But would we tell them to change the batteries on those things?
we'd have to get new sensors. You can't change the battery.
Should we check them with the wand?
Yeah.
All right. We're gonna quickly check
Here,
the.
let's check the oil real quick.
Yeah, let's check the oil, then we'll check the TPMS real quick. All right, we've determined the tire pressure sensors batteries are all dead because they're probably original to this car and the tires have never been changed. So we have to get tires anyway, so we're gonna try and get the TPMS changed out for it, but that was not too bad. Check the oil, all set, ready to rock and roll. Alfa 8C Competizione Spider. Never see one of these again, probably in our shop.
No, probably not.
All right, guys. If you like this video, please visit normalguysupercar.com and NG Supercars, our parts website at our dealership. Use code NGS10 on our parts website and save 10%. Like, share, and subscribe. And of course, we'll be doing more car stuff. You guys are want to stay tuned. It's going to be sweet.